Hello everyone, this is a Hampton Bay St. Vincent in obviously the red finish. These were sold in various colors. I don't know them all, but I used to have a black one once upon a time. I picked this one up at a thrift store here in San Antonio for a little less than $20. I just thought it was neat. Works great. It's actually 100% complete with the original shades, mounting bracket, all that stuff, which is rare to find at most thrift stores. So I was pretty happy about that. It's a cool fan. It performs just like any middle of the road 52-inch fan from the 90s does. Nothing spectacular, but it works pretty good nevertheless. 3-speed reversible. It's got these red pull chain fobs, which is cool. Light kit obviously works really well. Fan. Gotta watch my head. Reverse. Gotta love that bearing noise. Yep, pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm glad I bought it. That's it for that, and I hope you enjoyed.